Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Tonor TC20 microphone set. This is a great value microphone set. It's a condenser mic, and it comes with a bunch of great accessories for £50 or $50. Right now it was for £38, so it's an even better deal for everyone. So I'm gonna get this unboxed for you guys. Put the knife away. Let's see what we get. So we get an instruction pamphlet. So you do need an audio interface for this device for it to work with your computer. You get this. Get that out of the way. And let's show you what we actually get in the box. So this is the actual mic. It's quite heavy. It's really nice. We'll get back to that. The shock mount. It has Tonor's click, and it opens up the center part for you to put the mic in. The mic stand itself. The desk clamp. What's nice about this desk clamp is actually you can hang your headphones on it, because this part actually sticks out, so that's quite nice. Let's see what else. You get a wind filter, an XLR cable, some cable management ties, Tonor branded, and a pop filter. This is fabric. So I'm going to show you a quick look at the mic right now. Move the box out of the way. This is the mic. I'll take it out for you guys. This mic actually looks really gorgeous. It looks really nice. It's quite small. And so that's it for the unboxing. I will show you, I'll make a review on this mic later, so stay tuned. Please subscribe and have a nice day.